Hi, I'd like to introduce you to Zanoprima. It's synthetic nicotine. Zanoprima was founded by Ashok Narasimhan, who was the first to introduce nicotine replacement therapy products into India. There was a request from GlaxoSmithKline in about 2012 to produce synthetic nicotine, which would be fully traceable for the pharmaceutical applications of Nicorette. At the time, neither technology, though the market was in place, but this all changed with the development of the vaping markets in 2014, 2015. As a consequence, Zanoprima started looking at methods for manufacturing synthetic nicotine. The best of these was the conversion of myosmin through to ethanol nicotine and then through to nicotine using an enzyme called an amine reductase. So basically what we had is reduction of myosmin and a consequential oxidation of glucose to gluconolactone. So we had a very efficient catalytic system, which was done in water at ambient or slightly elevated temperatures. So what we had here was a process which was consistent with green chemistry objectives. So we had a catalytic process, water as solvent, low temperatures, renewable resources such as glucose and enzymes, highly biodegradable byproducts such as the gluconolactone, and a high recovery of the organic solvent which is used for the extraction. So what we wanted to do was to look and to see the environmental consequences of our process compared to tobacco-derived nicotine. Fortunately, there was a paper from 2018 from the Imperial College Group which looked at tobacco production and its environmental footprint, and we were able to extract the data required from that. For our own process, we had to go back right to basic chemicals in order to look at the starting materials for our myosmin for looking at our own process. So what was found from that analysis by Atlantic Consulting in Switzerland is that the process we had was much better than either flue-cured tobacco, this is from the dust of cigarette production, or from actual tobacco leaves grown exclusively in India for the extraction of nicotine. So this was air-cured tobacco. So at the 2% level, we were about 8% better with the flue-cured, fuel-cured product, or about 3 times better than the air-cured product. If we look at water, then the effect is even more dramatic. The Zanoprima process, in fact, actually produces water in the manufacturing process, whereas there is a huge use of water in the growing of tobacco, whether it's for flue-cured or whether it's for air-cured extraction processes. So, in summary, what we have is that Zanoprima has developed a cost-effective process for the manufacture of S-nicotine, which is devoid of related alkaloids, tobacco-specific nitrosamines, heavy metals, and pesticide or herbicide residues. In addition, the process, as requested, offers full traceability and is manufactured in an FDA-inspected pharmaceutical facility. The process offers also key ESG advantages when we compare it to tobacco, which is grown exclusively for nicotine extraction, or even that which is as a byproduct of cigarette production. So thank you for your time, and bye.